Are you having a hard time getting your websites ranked on Google, Bing, and Yahoo? Well, welcome to Les Waller's How to Find Keywords for Website Ranking. I love doing how-to articles and videos. If I can help one person get something done more easily, more quickly, more efficiently, then I've helped someone whom I've never met and made their day a little better. So let's get to it. I've started a new YouTube channel called Les Waller Workouts. Now I want to start writing articles for a website that I'm going to build that will complement the YouTube channel. I want to use the power of free advertising on YouTube to push traffic to my website and vice versa. First, I need to have a rough idea of what kind of workouts I'm going to be doing, as I'm overweight, spelled fat, out of shape, spelled weakling, cheap bastard that is, and old, spelled dinosaur. I think we will work along the lines of doing workouts at home using the alphabet soup method. Here you see we've clicked the alphabet soup tab up above and we type in workouts at home. And in less than 10 seconds, we've gotten over 300 results. You can see here they're listed alphabetically. We're starting with the A's here. There's about 10 per category because with the account I have, the light account I have, I only have access to 10. But that's more than enough when you consider there's 10 in the A's, there's 10 in the B's, there's 10 in the C's, and all the way on down. All right, we're going to come back here to A. And as you can see at A, you got the 10 results. I like some of these results, but I want something a little more generic for my first post. As we're going to cover a full, we're going to cover the entire workout range. We're not just going to be doing abs, and we're not going to be doing martial arts, and it's got to be more generic, something that I can do at home here easily. Something along the lines of maybe like full body. Yeah, so let's go ahead and go to F and see what we have there. Now you can see I've already got an L on one because I did this in my article, my Marine Helping Veterans article. So I've already saved that to a list. So by clicking on search on this, it takes us to the keywords tab on Jaxi and autofills full body workouts at home. If you want to try out Jaxi, just click the link in the description below for a free trial. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to want to go ahead and get the QSR, the quality search results for each of these, so we can see what those results are. The QSR is the total number of competing websites for that keyword search term. And so that is very important to us to get our website ranking. And then I'm going to go ahead and order these in QSR order from the worst to the best, worst being 0. Obviously, if you're not going to get any hits, it's no use going for that particular keyword. You also want to take a look, make sure that the keywords make sense. Some of these keywords do not make sense. Full body workouts, women, home. No one says it like that. That's words thrown together doing a search. We want something that makes sense, like full body workout routines at home. Something like that we can have as a title on a web page. We can have it a title as a video. So these first ones we see here are not very good. The average there is the average amount of searches per month that Google gets. The traffic is the amount of visitors you would have if you ranked on Google. The QSR is the number of competing web pages that you will find on the internet. Ideally, we want something with at least an average of 50 searches or more a month, traffic equaling 10 or more visits to our page. So if we rank the first page of the 3 main search engines, Google, Bing, or Yahoo, we want an SEO score of 90 to 100, with 100 being the best score. Like I said before, exclude the keywords that don't make any sense. Now there you can see full body workout routines at home is already on my list from my web page search. But it makes sense because it's something I want to do. I want to work on the full body and not just a single body part. We can focus on body parts after we have the full workout completed. And look at that, 13 of QSR, 13 competing web pages. We can rank on that keyword. Traffic of 17, it's not a lot, but that's okay. And this is further defined from our original search as well. Full body workouts at home is what we originally searched on, and you can see there's more traffic, but then there's also more competition. So one of the things I want to do here is when I find an interesting keyword that I could use in the future, we go ahead and going to put a check in that check marks, and then we save it to list. We saved it to Les Waller workouts, so that way that will be available to us later on. We won't have to do the same search again to help us find keywords. Going back to the alphabet soup, we want to make sure that we check all these letters and all the numbers, and then select those that we see could be used for a video or a web article in the future. Check mark those, and then once we've finished with the entire alphabet there, go ahead and click Save Selected. I'm going to make a new list here. We're going to call it Draft Les Waller Workouts. Actually, it's going to be called Draft Keywords Les Waller Workouts, because we still need to research these to further define them and make them for website rankings. Yes, how about upper body workout at home? That's something, later on we want to further define our workouts. Instead of just doing a full body, we're going to start targeting specific areas of the body to work out, right? So there again, it's going to give us more keywords that we can use. And here we can see, is that the right one we want to use? Ooh, look at this one, dumbbell full body workout at home. And look at the score there. So average of 24 searches a month, which isn't a lot, but it helps. QSR 49, less than 50 competing websites. We will add that to our list. Now let's take a look at some of the competition using the keyword search that we just searched on and decided on. So going into search analysis, we've got full body workouts at home. What does Google have to say? Okay, we can look at here at the top ones here. First page ranking. If we click on view details, we can see that they got over 3,000 words. Their site has 134 links on it. A gazillion backlinks, Alexa ranking. The next one here we click on. Ooh, this one's only 29 words, 96 links on this site, 59,000 backlinks. The reason being is that this site, I've looked at it earlier, it is a buttload of videos. So very little text, but a whole bunch of videos on here. So you can see you don't have to have a textual article alone to rank high in Google. Look at Bing.com results here. Here again, first page results. First one and the second one. Third one. Now look at this third one here. Word count of 6. You know why? It's a YouTube video. So even videos can be ranked on websites. So bear that in mind as well. Don't just be thinking about writing articles. You should also be thinking about making videos as well. And you could embed the videos in your articles too. So you're probably wondering, is this really going to work for me? Well, let me tell you, and let me show you, it yes indeed will work for you. So if I were to type in here, wealthy affiliate review, well hell, there'd be so much competition out there, there's no way we could rank for that, right? Right. Well, don't stop at wealthy affiliate review. Remember, you got to drill down, look deeper, find better keywords that will rank on the search engines. How about Wealthy Affiliate Review 2021? Okay, we don't see anything out of the usual here in Bing. But what about if we looked at Google.com? Look at number 3. Anything look familiar there? That's right, that is my article on Wealthy Affiliate Review 2021, ranked number 3. I've got 3,600 word count, 67 links on my site, only 8 backlinks. Only 8 backlinks. No Alexa rank. It works, folks. It works, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you, this works. If you follow these methods I'm showing you, you can get your website ranked on the main search engines. So let's go ahead and wrap this up. Let me do a brief recap here. So number 1, pick a general topic. Number 2, put the topic in alphabet soup tool. Number 3, select a longer or better keyword. Number 4, compare the QSR's average number of searches and traffic and select a better keyword to use to rank on Google. Number 5, do another keyword research on the keyword to see if there's something even better. Also look at related keywords on the right-hand side to see if there's anything that stands out. Number 6, either do your own research and start writing that article or head over to hirewriters.com. We'll have a link in the description below, and pay someone to write the article for you. It's time versus money, and only you can be the judge of which is more important when building your online business in the form of a website. Number 7, do your final edits and publish the article or articles. Number 8, most importantly, use social media accounts for free advertisements by sharing out the article using relevant hashtags. If you have any questions about finding keywords for SEO ranking, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. I wish you the best of luck in your business endeavors. This is Les Waller with Financial Independence Resource Education, and we'll see you on the next video.